How to get the return on effort you deserve from your law, accounting or financial services firm and avoid making big expensive mistakes. As I've previously written about and mentioned in my videos or audios, your firm has the potential to deliver a return on investment to you of between 100% and 200%. While I know you think you didn't start your firm to be all about the money, we all need to provide for our families and put food on the table. Without this, we'd be working with someone else, getting a regular income and probably be unhappy in the process. To achieve these sorts of returns on investments, you need to make smart decisions about many things, some of which include who you hire. The old adage, hire slow, fire fast, is a great one to remember. Who you accept as a client. Most equity principals, partners, directors and business owners accept anyone that can wave a dollar, and this can be a detriment to your firm or business if they are a wrong fit. Who you won't accept as a client, and then firing any that fit that bill. How you then attract right fit clients that you want to work with. What technology systems you select. Are your team or employees engaged? And how do you set up systems and processes to ensure a consistent client experience? If you make the wrong decision with these questions, this will cost you either in time, money, or the school of hard knocks by doing it wrong. Ultimately, this ends up costing you at least twice as much, assuming you then do it right the second time around. Now, while I've learned about many things over my journey, either from the School of Hard Knocks or from my mentors, where I can really help you is around technology and selecting the right technology systems to achieve that return on effort. I can also introduce you to valuable resources that I've found over my journey who can provide expert training and guidance on many of or some of the other questions I've mentioned in this video. The right technology systems in place, you maximise your results while minimising the labour effort required to achieve them. You also implement systems and processes within that technology to further maximise the results while minimising the labour effort required. Naturally, these will cost you money, probably more than what you want to spend, and many times it can be tempting to go with what looks like to be a cheaper option. Unfortunately, solely viewing things based on the direct cost of them to you is a foolish decision. As Oscar Wilde famously said, a fool knows the price of everything and the value of nothing. As I wrote about in my recent book titled Protect Your Legacy, How to Confidently Protect You and Your Firm from the fines, lawsuits, customer loss, ruined reputation and PR nightmare resulting from a data breach and cybercrime. Side note, if you'd like a gift ebook copy, which is available free for a limited time, go to protectyourlegacybook.com/ebook or scan the QR code on the screen, then fill in and submit the form on that page. By doing so, you'll be able to gain access to free bonus resources in the book valued at $1,594. When weighing up the cost of something, you need to consider the following. What will it cost me and my team in time to either try and work out the solution myself or try and configure the solution myself? What will it cost me, my team and the firm in lost productivity if the system or solution is unable to deliver as promised? What will it cost me in downtime, wages, lost revenue, and what negative effect to revenue and the bottom line will this have? After you've weighed these up, then consider the upside and investment that you could receive. What benefits do I and my team get from concentrating on our strengths and not trying to figure out things we're not strong in? If we have a stable and secure system, what is the potential positive effect to revenue and the bottom line? What could I use the positive effects to further reinvest into the firm to grow more or take a profit distribution? About 3 years ago now, I made a decision where I didn't follow the above decision-making tree and it haunts me to this day. I was evaluating a new technology platform to help me grow my business and I could not get past the upfront cost of the service and thought I could do it better with a cheaper solution. After investing hundreds of hours of my time trying to make this cheaper solution work, it just wouldn't deliver what I needed. I then went back and signed up with a more expensive solution provider 3 months later with all that time wasted. This is what you really need to consider. Even though this solution costs more, it saves me and my team so much time, and that is the most valuable commodity. You do not get any more of it. I'm happy to say this taught me a very valuable lesson. As I've previously spoken and written about, a couple of years ago now I was brought in to consult with a law firm who had around 10 on the team at the time with 2 directors. Unfortunately for them, I was unable to make them see how staying with their current provider and system was such a big expensive mistake. It turned out that decision would mean they were losing $730,000 in lost billable revenue over the course of 1 year. To read more about that or watch the accompanying video, go to www.myinfotechpartner.com.au/category/blog or scan the QR code on the screen to be taken straight there. Obviously, you want to view your technology systems, IT and cybersecurity protections as an investment into your professional services firm. As I mentioned earlier, the return on investment in your professional services firm can produce 100% to 200%. A really good return on investment in the stock market is between 6% and 8% per annum. Naturally, the investment in your professional services firm is the winning strategy. As a professional services firm equity principal, partner or director, you must learn to think, make decisions and act as an investor if you truly want to get ahead, understanding the value of time, especially your own. Combine robust technology, IT and cybersecurity solutions and secure the future of your family's livelihood, your reputation and professional services firm today. My Infotech Partner is a trusted IT services and IT support provider in Perth that specialises in protecting reputations and families' livelihoods with smart use of technology and advanced cybersecurity services for legal, accounting, and financial services firms, and is the only one that puts our money where our mouth is and offers a never pay the ransom $10,000 money back guarantee. Pension professional services firm Equity Principals, partners, or directors. Have questions about how to get a better return on effort and investment, get paid faster without having to move a couch into your office? Then let me invest into helping you protect what you've worked so hard to build and buy you 17 minutes of my time with a micro training video titled The 3 Secrets to See More Clients, Get Paid Faster Without Having to Move a Couch into Your Office. To access this micro training, go to www.myinfotechpartner.com.au/see more clients, or take out your mobile phone, open the camera app, and then scan the QR code on the screen. Once you're on that page, just click or tap on the image or the Get Access button and just enter your first name, email address, and then click the Submit button to receive instant access. As always, dedicated to protecting your reputation and family's livelihood. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and have a great day.